today there are over 500 California condors in the world.
The Peregrine Fund has been leading the way in raptor conservation since 1970. This center isn't just about looking at birds, it's about saving them from extinction. Hey everyone, welcome back to SeeValWander. I am Val, I am your host. Welcome. Today I'm taking you somewhere truly special. It's right here in Boise, Idaho. We are at the World Center Birds of Prey. It is home to some truly incredible raptors. Come wander with me, let's go take a look. For over 50 years, the Peregrine Fund has worked to conserve birds of prey. Did you know that there are 561 different species of raptors in the world? Here in the Velma Morrison Interpretive Center, you'll find many displays of birds from eagles and hawks to owls and falcons. Want to help the birds of prey? Well, there are some things you can do, such as reducing the poisons that are used in and around homes or fields. When you go hunting, consider using lead-free ammunition. Lead bullets can poison birds. Also, around your home, you can landscape with native plants. And for all of my fishing people out there, make sure that you properly store and discard any used fishing lines and nets. Peregrine falcons were once nearly wiped out of North America, but thanks to the work that has been done here, it has made a full comeback and was even removed from the endangered species list in 1999. That's real conservation success. But the highlight of my visit is definitely the fall flights program. Hawks, owls, and vultures are going to take to the sky, swooping, diving, and showing off their natural hunting skills. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. While the center is open year-round, this special fall flights only takes place every weekend, September through October. Check their website for times and prices.
More about how Apple falcons need wide open spaces to be able to fly really well and maneuver and get up to speed to catch their prey. They can't use dense woodlands very well. Hawks will sometimes soar high in the air while they're looking for something to eat. But ferruginous hawks are a little bit special. They have developed a technique of hunting from the ground. So imagine that. She's out there hunting for rabbits. There's no structures available to her. Maybe the wind's not great. She's sitting on the ground. There goes a rabbit, and she can still catch it. It's pretty incredible. Perfect. And then we're going to have a zombie rabbit. Oh, there it goes. It's weird how that works, right? Ambassador for owls everywhere.
Need adaptations like big eyes and excellent hearing with that round face in order to detect their prey. But they also have to avoid being detected themselves. So to help them do that, they have this very quiet, soft feathers. Our 18-year-old Swainson's hawk. She is our longest running fall flight star and always seems to fly best for enthusiastic crowds. So give her a hand as she makes her way into the field. western North America, from Alaska down to Mexico. Raptors as they're mowing in fields, catching and hunting the grasshoppers that are picked up along the way, giving them their famous nickname, the grasshopper hawk. Southernmost part of South America to spend the winter every year. And breed here again in the western North American regions.
Featured in our presentation today. She has been here with the Peregrine Fund for her entire life since she was less than a year old. You who are uninitiated, you will know afterwards exactly why we love Lucy so much. Now to start with, Lucy came out showing you just what vultures do. Most vulture species eat are scavengers entirely, so they are looking for dead things to eat rather than hunting their food live. And some people don't really like that. Vultures get a little bit of a bad reputation because of it, but I'm going to be really real with you guys. I am also a scavenger. Yeah. Yeah, everybody look around the audience. There are 22 California condors in the audience. That is how many were left in the world when we started breeding them to save the species. That's not very many, is it? 22 out of about 300 is not very many at all. A little bit of wind there for Lucy. You know what, try again. All the time I think about how I was this close to never getting to see a real California condor, maybe in a book or in a museum specimen. Okay. But that did not happen. Today there are over 500 California condors in the world, which is great. Yes. Those California condors are living free. About 2/3 of them are living in Mexico, Arizona, and California, and Baja California, and Utah as well. But 500 is not a lot of birds, right? They are still the most critically endangered vulture in North America. So the Peregrine Fund works to get lead out of the environment, and we do other things like breeding them as well. lore of hunting with a bird of prey. It is thousands of years old. Many of the falconers who started the Peregrine Fund were falconers themselves, and many biologists today are falconers as well. It is recognized as a cultural world heritage of humanity, intangible cultural heritage of humanity by UNESCO. And the Lanner falcon is really similar to the peregrine falcon in size and hunting ability. They are not found all over the world, though, like the peregrine falcon is. If you want to see a Lanner falcon, you've really got to go to Europe or maybe parts of northern Africa. We're talking about peregrine falcons and the work that we did to try to bring them back. Now, I do want to tell you that Dr. Cade's efforts, his ideas to captively propagate those birds and then release them into the wild, was a wild success. It's very successful. Over the years of our peregrine falcon program, we successfully bred and released over 4,000 peregrine falcons back out into the wild again. Woo! Thank you. We are very proud of the work that we did to bring them back. It kind of gave scientists a little bit of an opportunity to figure out that DDT was the problem that was causing a lot of those declines. And in 1972, the United States joined many other developed nations in banning the use of DDT. This allowed peregrine falcons to make a full recovery. They were removed from the U.S. endangered species list in 1999, and that happened at a ceremony right here at the World Center for Birds of Prey. Now, this makes them the very first bird to be removed from the U.S. endangered species list for reasons of recovery rather than reasons of extinction, and it makes them the very best conservation, one of the best conservation stories of all time.
I am completely blown away with what I saw here today. This was absolutely incredible. Remember, this special Fall Flights program is only available on the weekends in September and October.
What an incredible day here at the World Center Birds of Prey. If you're ever here in Boise, Idaho, you have got to put this on your list of places to visit.
Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you can follow along on more of my journeys. Also, tell me in the comments, if you could see one bird of prey up close, which would it be? Until next time, thanks so much for spending some of your time with me. We'll see you soon.